Hi, it's Michael Farr from Farr, Miller and Washington. The markets have been pretty strong here in the month of April so far. Today was a very good day in the markets. The Federal Reserve released their minutes from the Open Market Committee meetings last month a bit early, prematurely before the open actually this morning. They showed that the Federal Reserve pretty much is beginning to have discussions by more than a few members of pulling back on quantitative easing by the end of the year. This seemed to take away the cloud that loomed over the markets normally for a 2 o'clock release, and things were off to the races. The United States market still seemed to be the best house on not a very good block. Dow equities closed over 14,800 today. So stock prices doing very well. Stock investors are doing very well. Bondholders still hanging in there pretty well at 1.81% yield on the 10-year Treasury. I find it remarkable that people continue to invest at a 1.8% yield on a 10-year Treasury when the Fed tells you that their inflation target is 2%. So they're going to devalue the currency at a rate of 2% per year is one way to look at this, while they're going to pay you 1.8%. Doesn't make a lot of sense to me. But I guess if you were in Cyprus or in some of those other questionable countries in southern Europe, perhaps some return of your capital would be much more important than a return on your capital. For now, investor psychology feels a lot more bullish. People are liking stocks more. People and investors are saying that they want to own stocks now who really had been very cautious before. That is something of a warning sign, so we're paying very close attention to these prices. We don't think stocks are necessarily cheap. We don't think they're necessarily expensive, but we are being very cautious, dogged and disciplined in our research, dispassionate in our approach as we invest and do the very best we can for our clients at all times. Good luck out there. Hang in there. For Farr, Miller and Washington, I'm Michael Farr.